Making a professional technology video used to mean weeks of work. Write a script, hire an animator, wait for drafts, review, revise, render. $10,000 and a month later, one video. Most teams skip it entirely. They send a PowerPoint instead. Nobody watches it. The knowledge stays locked inside the people who created it. Never scaled, never shared, never seen. There is a new way. Claude Code and Remotion, working together as a video factory. Remotion is a React framework that renders your components directly to MP4, frame by frame, pixel perfect, fully programmatic. Claude Code writes those components from your script. You direct the story. There are two production paradigms: script to video, pure animation, built from nothing; footage to story, real clips from the world, dressed with your message on top. Today, we use both. This is what we built in one session. First, a complete AI strategy explainer. 3 chapters, animated diagrams, brand colors, narration, rendered to MP4 in one command. No screen recording, no video editor, just code. One command. Seconds later, a final MP4. Then, 3 video clips downloaded from Pexels, free, in 5 minutes. Claude Code wrapped them in animated titles, stat callouts, and lower thirds. A second complete video. Hybrid style. The footage provided the emotion. The animations provided the message. The skills system guided every technical decision automatically. Official Remotion rules for how to code, our custom workflow for how to produce. We did not look up documentation, we just described what we wanted. This pipeline works for any knowledge domain. Healthcare patient education, hypertension stories from 5 perspectives, all from the same template. Organizational communication. 1 2-minute video to 130 people instead of an email nobody reads. Personalized batch videos, the same composition, different data per person, 1,000 unique outputs from one render command. The teams that figure this out first will produce more, faster, cheaper, and better than anyone still working the old way. One command. 1 MP4. No recording. No editing. No agency. Your video factory is ready.